This is kind of our first time doing a live stream, and it's very interesting. It's something I'm going to have to master in the very near future. At any rate, cutting through the pitter and the patter, we're going to get into some direct tactics and get started. One thing about the late great Grandmaster Angel Wallace is that he did more on the floor work than he did vocal work. Also, keep in mind that we're not out here to try to override anybody else's system of martial arts or try to say we're better. Everything that we do is based upon things that other systems of martial arts are already doing. It's just the flavor, the tone, the rhythm, and the way that we do it. So just keep in mind that the Kabbalah Serrada system of Escrima is a very diverse methodology. Many people don't think that the system offers grappling techniques, that is just strictly a stick art. But in reality, like most FMA arts, it is a blade art. So, without further ado, we're going to get into the some of the basic, simplified fundamentals of the Kabbalah Serrada system of Escrima. Working with me today is my son, Grandmaster D. Jr. Second. He's been training ever since he was a little bambino. So we're just going to move around a little bit, try to break some of this information down so that you can better understand. All right. So I'll take play. Salute. Salute. All right. One of the first basic strikes in the Kabbalah Serrada system of Escrima is a number 5 strike. I'm not going to teach these particular numbers strictly in order. You can go from the basic 1 through 12, but each system or each strike rather basically turns into the other strike. So one of the most universal strikes is the number 5 strike. And that's what we call it in the CSE or Kabbalah Serrada system of Escrima. Universally speaking, it is a strike that is directed anywhere from the solar plexus down to the feet. We consider that a number 5 strike. Boxers will go overhand right. Someone who is totally untrained will try to grab you at the waistline. So this particular tactic is not about blocking the blade or whatever weapon the hand is holding. It's about deflecting. So the first thing we're going to do is what we call our middle waistline pass slap. So we're going to demonstrate it first. Just go through the first move. Go through the solar plexus, basically that first move here. Good. Let's switch that around. Same thing. And so as you can see, what he's doing is he's stepping a little bit off the line. His left hand is working with his right hand. His elbow is covering his kidney section like a boxer, so that if he does get hit in that area, he'll take that blow basically on the elbow. I'll take most of the damage and sustain most of the injury like the triad. So first move is what we call a middle waistline pass. Let's do that one more time with this. And beautiful. Switch it one more time.